Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Hunter ceiling fan is noisy or humming noise. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, if you're having this problem here and you're wondering what are the troubleshooting steps that you need to do here, well, there's a few things that you can do here. So first is you need to tighten some screws here. So often humming noises come from loose screws. So start by checking all the screws that connect the fan blades to the motor and the housing. This includes screws connecting the blades to the blade irons and the blade irons to the motor and the motor to the housing. Just a small turn here, about like 1/8 of a turn, might fix the actual noise. Now, another thing you could do here is to check the dimmer switch. Now, if your fan is connected to a dimmer switch, that could be the causing or the cause of the humming. Now, the dimmer switch aren't always compatible with the ceiling fans. Try replacing it with one that's specifically designed for the ceiling fans. Next, or in this case, another thing you could do here is to inspect the actual motor. Now, if the noise continues, it might be an issue with the motor. Over time, the motor bearings can dry out and cause a whining sound. To fix this, you can try oiling the motor bearings. First, carefully disassemble the fan and put a few drops of oil on the bearings, and this should keep or help reduce the friction and noise. Next is you want to go ahead and balance the fan blades. Now, unbalanced blades can lead to vibrations and noise. So start by swapping the blades to see if this actually helps. If not, you use the fan balancing kit if you have one. You can attach more weights to the blades as needed to balance them. Also, you might want to examine the light kit. So if your fan has a light kit, make sure it's securely attached. Loose connections in the light kit can cause vibrations and noise, so tighten any screws or fasteners holding the light kit in place. And finally, inspect the wiring to ensure all connections are secure. Loose wires can create electrical buzzing noises, and if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, it might be best to call a professional. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.